Hi, this is Chef Joel here from Nagaland, and I'm on a culinary trail of Nagaland for 10 days at Honk in association with Pullman New Delhi Aerocity and Gourmet HK. The dish that I'm going to make today is Pongsen. So Pongsen traditionally is cooked, the fish is cooked in the bamboo hollow, mixing all the ingredients which is found on the river banks. So today we will be making Pongsen but wrapped in banana leaves. So first we take the saltfish, then we season with salt both sides. Then we're using spice blends from Sausage's brand to give a nice color. So this blend is a concoction of 10 to 12 different spices. Then we add nice crushed garlic, massage properly. Then we add fermented bamboo shoot. Then we add some shredded chilies, green leaves, we have the fish ready, we have the mixed rice ready, we have the chutney ready, and to accompany all these elements we have given local leaves which is called pennywort in English. And to show how the fish has been cooked, I'm going to open it up and show.